Question 1, 616 divided by 8. For this problem, you are able to use any of the partial quotient strategies that we were practicing last week. That could be ratio tables, fast facts, area model, or box method. Or if there's another strategy you have, go for it. I'm going to use the box method on these. So if you solved it a different way, you're good to go. We just want to make sure we're ending up at the same answer. So I'm going to start with my dividend of 616 inside the box. Ooh, that is not a great box. With our divisor of 8 on the outside. I'm going to start on my first digit to the left, 6. If I have 6 dots, can I make a group of 8? Nope, absolutely cannot. So I'm going to add the neighbor. If I have 61 dots, how many groups of 8 could I make? Well, I could make 7 groups of 8, and that would use 56 dots. Now we need to make sure all of our numbers have buddies. These two are lined up. These guys are lined up. This one has nobody, so we're going to give him a 0. And we'll also put that 0 on top. This shows that 70 times 8 is 560. Now I'm ready to subtract. And I get 56. And I will move that to my next box. And we're going to start the process over again. Remember, you move this over to the next box as long as it's bigger than your divisor. So as soon as I get something that's less than 8 down here, I stop, and that's my remainder. But 56 is bigger than 8, so we're going to move that over. We're going to start with the 5. If I have 5 dots, can I make a group of 8? Nope. So we are going to include the neighbor now. If I have 56 dots, how many groups of 8 can I make? I can make exactly 7. That would be 56. 7 times 8 is 56. Everybody is paired up here, so I do not need to add any zeros, and I can go ahead and subtract. And I am left with 0. 0 is less than 8, so I stop. Technically, this shows me that my remainder is 0, but if a remainder is 0, you don't need to record it. So to find my answer, I'm going to add up the numbers on top of my box, and 70 plus 7 gives me 77. So I know that 616 divided by 8 is 77.